Yeah. Hi, my name is Rishi. I'm an undergrad student and I would like to know how the Learn to Trade course will help me in the future.
Yeah, Rishi. So the first thing is that the Learn to Trade course is all about investing and trading in the stock markets. And this course is being conducted during the time when the earning season is going to be announced. So this is a time period when all the companies come out with quarterly earnings, right? So
Hmm.
what will happen is that you'll have a large number of companies declaring their results, and we are going to be analyzing these results. So what you'll be getting is a very real-time perspective of what is happening in the economy. So we'll be analyzing the companies from fundamentals. We will be looking at their valuations. Third thing, we'll be doing stock picking based on these two. And third, we'll be using basic charting techniques of technical analysis to do the market timing for the stocks that you select.
Right. I wanted to know what exactly will be taught, like what will be the syllabus for the course.
Yeah, so fundamental valuation talks about the business model. It talks about the promoter. We are looking at competitive advantage of the business. Then we look at evaluating the historical financials and how likely they will play out in the future. Okay, we are also looking at return ratios, doing peer comparison, and we'll be doing further. We'll be comparing the stocks with their Indian peers as well as global peers to see if their valuations are right. Because India is no more in the domestic market, international players
Right.
need to invest. And once we have done this and done the valuation, then we will use basic charting techniques like trend lines and candlestick patterns and oscillators to see what is the timing of the market, right? Volume studies and all that. Once that is done, then we will do the stock picking and decide whether we buy the stock or sell the stock, and at what price we buy the stock, and what price should be my stop loss, and what price should I be booking my profit. So all that will be decided first. Also, we learn how to take precautions, how to control risks, not to get overboard, how to control our own emotions also. All that we will be looking at in this program.
Okay. And one more question. What career options will open up for me after this course?
So, there are plethora of options that will open up. One is that you can do your own trading, right? You'll become a confident person. Investment is the only business that can make you independent. Second is, apart from this, you can get opportunities to work with investment banks, brokerages. You can join the buy side or the sell side research for asset management companies, investment banking, brokerage, as I told you. There are a number of PMSs which are out there. You can start your own business in terms of stock advisory by giving the exams of the institute. And on the corporate side also, you can join corporate finance. You can join banking. You can get into corporate banking. Other things that you can do is credit rating. That's another good field which is coming up. There are a lot of KPOs which are looking for people. So, if you have the technical or the competitive edge of understanding all these various terminologies, and what is being taught in this course is a very power-packed course which will be conducted over a period of 2 months.
Nice. I would like to know who exactly will be conducting the course and if you could give a brief description of their qualifications or
So
what
I will
experience they
only be
have in the
conducting
market.
the course. My name is Vineet Bolinchkar, and I am a equity research head with a broking firm, which is a pan-India brokerage firm. I've been here head of research for over 11 years. And apart from that, I've got almost 29 years of trading in the markets. And prior to that, I've done my MBA from the Jamnalal Bhagat Institute of Management. And I'm also an engineer. So I have got a good combination of technical skills, understanding of business through my School of Business graduate degree, postgraduate degree, And I got 29 years of work ex, and I know exactly what people are looking for when they want to invest, because I talk to retail investors, HNIs, and I also talk to a lot of institutions because I service them as part of my business responsibility.
Wow, I'm excited. What about the certificate we'll get at the end of the course?
Yes, so my institute is there, School of Market Studies, and from this I will give you a certificate for Learn to Trade course that you have attended. And this course will be conducted over 60 days. It is a 1 hour pre-recorded video course that will be sent to you every evening post 7:30. So whatever are the happenings of the day, I will analyze for you. I will share it with you. And you can ask all your questions on the WhatsApp. And this entire curriculum, course curriculum, is available to you lifelong. Okay. But the 1200 rupee early bird discount is available only till today. So from tomorrow, the fees will go to 4,750 inclusive of GST. Today it is 1200 rupees inclusive of GST. So that is that.
Yeah, I'll try to grab it before the end of the month today.
Yeah.
And one more question was, after the course is over, like if I need any support or help in understanding any concepts in the future.
So Rishi, once you connect with me, you will realize that you will be connected with me for life, because I love making friends and I love young friends. It makes me feel younger. And we will always be connected, and WhatsApp is a great medium, or Telegram channel is a great medium to keep in touch. And all you have to do is ask your doubts, and whenever I'm free, I will answer you. And it will usually in the same day, a few hours here and there.
Okay, great. I'll definitely join the course. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, great talking to you. So we'll disconnect the call now. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.
And please tell your friends also to go.
Yeah,
Thank you.
for sure.